Hello friends, welcome back to Angel Trading Friend. Hope you're all doing fine and you like my previous strategy, my previous secret in which I had showed you the relation of crude oil and ONGC. I found that many of them liked it and there is a lot of encouraging messages, lots of encouraging chats, and it helped lots of beginners. So this has encouraged me to reveal my second strategy, second secret, and as you all know my love for crude oil, so again this secret is also regarding the crude oil pair trading with BPCL. Okay, so you don't have to follow any indicators, you don't have to follow any fundamental analysis, nothing of these sorts, no charts, no nothing required. Just by following crude oil you can place trades on your BPCL, and I will show you how we can make more than 500% returns every year by following the same strategy with discipline. So friends, are you all ready? So I'll show you the strategy to involve today with crude oil and BPCL. I call it the pair trading, but what you have to do is see the relationship between crude oil and place trade in BPCL. Okay, so the logic here also which we are following is same. We are following the crude oil. Okay, so as usual, keep alarm at 9:15 AM and log into trading terminal. You don't have to always look into trading terminal and sit. Just have to open at 9:15 sharp. And then what you have to see is if the crude oil was positive yesterday, then we have to go today long, in the sense buy. Okay, so many were asking me what is this long and what is this short and all this thing. Friends, long means we have to buy, short means we have to sell. Okay, so just see what was the results of crude oil yesterday. Crude oil closes at 11:30 daily in the night. So today if we have to place order in BPCL, just see if the crude oil's close is greater than the open. Simple. If the close is greater than the open, that is it is a positive, then we have to buy BPCL today. And in case if crude oil was negative yesterday, then we have to sell BPCL today. As simple as that. Okay. Regarding the money management and the stop loss and target, friends, I will explain to you in detail. I will take you to my Excel with backtested. You all know that I don't give strategies just for the sake of strategy. I give you with the backtested proofs and also the historical backtested data. So I'll take you to my Excel. Yeah, just before going to Excel, people who are watching my channel or my video for the first time, this is my channel Angel Trading Friend. If you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe, press the subscribe button and the bell button, because I've been uploading lots of secrets over here, lots of strategies. You can see in both English and in Hindi. I have it in commodities as well as equities. Okay, so there's a lot of strategies where you can easily make 400-500% every year. And it is basically for working professionals. Why working professionals? Because it just takes 5 minutes of your time daily. You don't have to, even today's strategy as I'm explained to you, it only takes 5 minutes. You don't have to spend more than 5 minutes. Okay, it's a challenge of mine. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. Let me go to the Excel. Yeah, so this is the latest 2017 data. Now, many people have asked me, sir, please do the latest. Even in my ONGC, I had done you the latest. This also I am doing the latest data, latest analysis. Okay, so what you have to see, let us take from the beginning. On 3rd Jan, market opened at 637.2. So whether we have to go long or we have to go short. For this, what you have to do, you have to just see previous day, that is on 2nd Jan crude data. Crude was 1, that is, as I already showed you, crude ended up higher side. Okay, that the close was greater than the open on 2nd Jan. So what we have to do, we have to go long today. 637 we bought, it has gone till 653, and you all know that I don't keep targets. I wait till the end of the day, and end of the day it was closed at 645, making a point of 7.9. Friends, many of you who are feeling restless, who are feeling worried about taking losses regularly, I would suggest then you go for a target of 5 points or 10 points according to your capacity, according to your stop losses and according to your money management, which I'll all explain to you later, don't worry. This time I'm going to explain to you. Okay, so here what I've done is, I don't have time, I don't look into my trading terminal always. What I do is, as soon as market open at 9:15, I just keep a cover order with stop loss as per my requirement, and I close the trading terminal. I don't look into when the stop loss is triggered, or I don't look into whether what is my profit. End of the day, when everything is done, when I go back home, I just open my trading terminal, or I just open in my mobile and see how much is the profit or how much is the loss. That's it. So same follow principle I'm explaining to you. So people who are full time in front of the computers or who have time to open the terminal regularly can always keep targets, can always watch the targets. Okay. So in the same way, you understood it's so easy as that. I'll give you one more example. On 4th Jan, market opened at 647.1. Whether we have to go long or we have to go short depends on the previous day, that is on 3rd Jan crude result, and crude was negative. So we have to go short. 647, we sold it at 647 and bought back at 646. You can see almost 10 point movement is there at 637. Whoever wants to book 5.6 points and all can book it here, but you can see I closed at the end of the day making 0.3 profit. Okay. The same way on 5th Jan, market opened at 649. Whether to go long or to go short, you have to see on 4th Jan result, and it was positive, that is 1. Okay. So friends, from 649 it has moved up till 665, and almost the closing also is same, hereby making a point of 14.5. After that you can see there are continuous 2 losses, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losses, but again the profits, again losses, you can see again big profits. So friends, you need to have the discipline to follow the strategy daily, day in and day out. Only then you can make profit in this kind of strategies. As I already told you, all my YouTube strategies are all 50% accuracy strategies. That means you have to be ready to take 50% of the year losses. Half of the year there will be losses. But the trick here is we are limiting our losses, okay, by keeping stop losses, and we are running our profits. So the losses will be minimum, but the profits will be maximum. Hereby the average will be maximum by end of the year. Okay, so many will be asking me, sir, there is losses, there is 2 losses, 3 losses continuously. Friends, it's all part of trading. Any system, anything you follow, there will be losses. Okay. Now, friends, I've been explaining to you about money management from day 1 of my strategy, about compounding and all this thing. But and also I made a special video on golden rule of money management. Please watch that video. You will understand what exactly I'm meaning by stop loss, how much you have to keep stop loss. And for some people who want to really understand, I'm explaining to you once again here. Okay, imagine if you're trading with 1 lakh. Okay, this is our capital, 1 lakh. So what you have to see is our loss per each trade. That is, we can see there are each 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. In each trade, the loss must not be more than 5%. Okay, so that is nothing but 0.05 into 1 lakh. Okay, so that means not more than 5,000 we can lose in a single trade. Now friends, many will ask me, sir, if you're keeping 1 lakh as 5%, 5,000 as a stop loss, then you can't you can't keep stop loss of more than 5 points or more than 3 points. Friends, I'm not saying you that you have to keep stop loss of 3 or 4. If you feel that you have to keep a stop loss of 10, you go ahead with 10 points, but accordingly you increase this capital. Okay, so imagine you want your stop loss is, you're feeling at least 10,000, then you make it the amount as 2 lakh. Okay, sorry, make it 2 lakh. Okay, so you can see this is still in our 5%. 10,000 is nothing but in our 5%. Okay, so if you think that you don't have so much of money to buy one lot of feature, as I already told you, this can be bought in equity also. So imagine you have only 10,000 with you, so you buy accordingly equity. See, I am marking you 10,000, so your stop loss will be 500. Okay, so accordingly you have to buy equity shares. You can buy 50 or 100, how much of your capital is, accordingly you can buy equities also. This strategy is suitable in equity also. You have to just see crude's performance of past data and place trade in equity also. You can only buy 50 shares of equity. You hardly require any money. If you are buying in MIS, you can buy within 10,000 rupees. So accordingly, friends, this is the golden rule. Whatever capital you are having, make sure only 5% of your money is lost in your loss. So the profit can run to 10-20 points, but stop loss you can keep it for the strategy of 5 point or 10 point, whatever you feel. Many people have different analysis. Okay, so I'm leaving it job to you. I've explained to you once again. Why I'm stressing so much on this is because this is the key of a professional trader. I'm explaining once again to you. This is the key rule of a professional trader. Until unless you get thorough with this money management, you will not go anywhere in your trading career. That is why from day 1 of my strategies, from the first strategy of mine, I was spoon feeding you with all the money management and all the stop losses and targets, friends. But now from past 2-3 strategies, I have given that homework to you so that all my subscribers, all my followers who are learning from me, I want them to get thorough with this. Okay. So I have explained to you about money management. Please read once again, or you can go through this video once again, or you can also watch my video on money management, golden rule of money management. You will get a clear picture of what I am talking. Now let us go to the points and the profits. Okay. So I have multiplied by 1800. As you all know, one lot of BPCL, I have taken features here. So one lot of BPCL has 1800 shares. So those who don't have capacity to buy 1800 shares, that is, if you can't invest 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, you can go with even equities where you can buy 100 shares or 200 shares or whatever it is. Okay. So let us not change in this now. I am going with one lot of BPCL itself. Okay. So I have simply multiplied the points with 1800. You can see the formula. I have multiplied by 1800. So 7.9 points gave me 14,220. So same thing I have continued daily for all the trades. Okay. Now let's come into the total. I have not done any compounding, friends. Okay, compounding also is left to you. Whatever the initial investment of yours, if it is 1 lakh, you double the lot after 2 lakh. That is simple. You already know very well. I am also coming soon with a video on compounding, the power of compounding. You will get a clear idea about what I am talking. Okay, so in this case, you can see with 1 lakh, the amount has gone to 2, 3, 4. Okay, so almost 4 lakhs. And we are only in half of the year, that is, but this is the July's data. By July end, we have only reached, not only reached, we have reached 4 lakhs. Okay. So, if you are doing compounding, obviously this amount will go to 8 lakh, 9 lakh, 10 lakh. And friends, also one more thing which I want to clarify to you all. Many are asking me, sir, in Excel you showed very clearly that you can buy exactly at this open price. But in reality, we won't be able to buy at this open price. Yes, friends, I agree with this. That is why I always keep a buffer of 0.5 to 1 point. Okay. So if it is more than 1 point, please don't trade. Don't take a trade for today. Okay. At the end, what will happen? You might only lose little profit on this day. But if you follow the strategy daily, whatever this 800% or 900% return is showing, it will obviously come down to 600, 500, 400, 300, whatever it is. Okay. Whatever it is, ultimate also, since I'm already following it, I know the practical situation. That is why I'm saying you, even if the Excel gives you 800% return, don't expect 800. That is why I'm saying you, committing only 400, 500% returns you will get by this. So half of 800, 900 is obviously 450 to 400. So without any doubt, without any confusion, even with this, even if you're not getting this open price exactly, friends, you will surely get 400, 500% return. Now imagine on this particular day 637.2. We have, since it is a long day, we have to buy. Okay, imagine it opened at 637. It opened at 638 or 639. Don't take a trade. You please buy, keep a stop loss buy order at 637.2. You can surely see it has come down to 632 and it will trigger on 637. So you don't have to worry on that. You always keep near 637.2. Okay. But in case if it is 637.3, 4, 5, 6, up till that range, you buy it immediately. There is no problem. Even if it is 636.9, 636.8, you buy happily because your profit will be more. Okay. So you can clearly see it is coming down till your, even if it is open at 638, 639, sir, we won't get profit. Don't worry. You will get, it will come till your point and it will trigger. So have patience, friends. Even if there is a small buffer, you can go ahead, but still you don't have to worry. Okay. So hope it is all clear. I'll just finish off with this strategy. So results have been very good. Summary also you all know very well. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay. And if any doubts, WhatsApp me 8095 876525. Thank you.